Greetings and welcome to Educational TV again. Blessings to all of my subscribers and all who is here for the first time. Please hit the subscribe button and leave your comment in the comment section. And also people, please press the like button. It's very important that other people can see the video and it becomes a suggested video. Yes people, today we just want you to ride with me around the Toronto area because you all know we have a snowstorm today, January the 18th. And also people, Newfoundland and have one of the most terrible monster snowstorm there right now, where the whole province is locked down people. Even the plow trucks have been taken off the road. You know what I'm saying people? So you know it's a monster. Now people, Newfoundland is located in the eastern part of Canada, you know, and that province, Newfoundland, is where most of our Jamaican saltfish come from. And you all know that Jamaica national dish is ackee and saltfish. So that's where most of our saltfish came from, Newfoundland. And people, when I say they have a monster snowstorm, they got over 70 plus centimeter of snow for the past 24 hours. All schools have been closed. Business places, yes. Now people, just ride with me. I'm on the 400 highway going north, and just ride with me people. This is what the highway look like presently, because we in Toronto we have the same snowstorm, but we doesn't have it as all Newfoundland have it people. They get it the monster way. You know what I'm saying people? So just ride with me up this 400 highway, and this is what it looked like. Now people, the snowstorm or driving in snow, you gotta be patient, you know, drive carefully, you know what I'm saying people, because it's risky out here and you have to drive very, very safe. You know what I'm saying people? So speed and the snow, they are not friends. They are not friends. And no matter what snow tires or all season tires I have on, they are not friendly with the snow people. So this is what the highway look like now in Toronto, driving up the 400 highway. And people, we'll go back to Newfoundland. Newfoundland is a place, as we said, where our Jamaican saltfish come from. And they have been producing saltfish for over 500 years. So that's a pretty long time. You know what I'm saying people? So, you know, Newfoundland is a part of our national dish because they produce the most salt fish. And we as Jamaican, we love our ackee and sawfish because it's our national dish. Yes, people. So this is what the city of Toronto look like when we get a snowfall, people. And this one is not even, I think they say it's about 15 centimeter we're gonna get today. And you know, it's just that the wind is blowing the snow. So, you know, and sometimes when the wind blows the snow, we can get that thing what they call whiteout, where you don't even see where you're going. So that's why you got to drive, you know, and look out and take your time, because you will reach. Yes, you will reach. So now I'm coming off the highway now, people. So I'm gonna drive you around the city a little bit to show you what it's look like off the highway. Yes, people. And now, people, when we say snowstorm, you know, it's really a snowstorm, because in Newfoundland, that snowstorm that they got, it's over 70 centimeters. That like more than 2.5 feet or about 2 feet, something like that they got, people. And that is a monster, because if you see, it closed the whole province, and the government ordered all motorists off the road, including the tow trucks. So the plow trucks that's plow the snow. So people, you know, that's a monster. And all schools close, business place. So you know, that's a monster, and they will take a couple days to, you know, get the relief. You know what I'm saying, people? That's how snow storm is in Canada. As I said, people, you're in the snow, you just have to drive carefully. You know what I'm saying? Because in Canada, there's some province like Quebec where it's a by law where you have to put on your snow tires. But in Toronto, it's optional. You know what I mean? It's just optional. So it's two different provinces and two different by law. So this is how it looks like, people. It's all icy road. And also to people in Newfoundland, they have a state of emergency there right now. Yes, they got a state of emergency. So when you see they have a state of emergency for snow, people, that just tells you that it's a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow. When I said a lot, I mean